Welcome to another video on the C programming video series for the beginners. In this video, we will talk about constants, keywords, and data types in C programming language. In the video about the C character set, we have learned that the C character set consists of the alphabets from A to Z, both lowercase and uppercase. Then it has the digits from 0 to 9, and it has the symbols like percentage, plus, minus, multiplication, division, equal to, etc. The C character set is used to form something called as constants. A constant, as the name indicates, is something that doesn't change. In C language, a value that cannot be modified once it is defined is called as a constant. In C programming language, we have integer constants, real constants, character constants, and string constants. These integer constants are nothing but the whole numbers. For example, if we have a number, let us say 8, then once we have this number 8, it is always 8. It cannot be modified. Similarly, we have negative 15 or 23 or 1504. These integer constants are these whole numbers. Then we have these real constants. Real constants are the numbers with the decimal places. For example, we have number 8.25 or minus 10.75 or minus 100.23. So these real constants are the numbers with the decimal places. And then we have these character constants. These are nothing but the single characters. Character constants are written by using the single quotes. So when we have one character between single quotes, we consider it as a character constant. For example, capital A or lowercase a or lowercase z or uppercase F, or it can be the digit 9, or it can be digit 0, or it can be the symbol plus, or it can be the symbol equal to. A character constant is an alphabet, digit, or a special character which is enclosed within the inverted commas. Now finally, we have these string constants. These are nothing but characters that we have between the double quotes. For example, we may have my name. For example, it is Anil. It may be a number. For example, 245. Here we are enclosing them between the double quotes. So they are considered as string constants. Similarly, we may have at 123, which is written between the double quotes. Here it can be a single character enclosed between the double quote. For example, capital A. The difference between the character constant and this string constant is that character constants written between the inverted commas or single quotes, and the string constants are written between the double quotes. And in the character constants, we have only one single character. The string constant can contain one or more number of characters. Now let us talk about the keywords. In C programming, keywords are nothing but the special words whose meaning is already defined in the language. For example, in the Hello World program that we have written, we have used a keyword called as int. We have used the keyword return. These are the special words whose meaning is already defined in the C programming language. We have many other keywords. For example, we have for, we have while, we have if, we have else, we have const, etc. Later in this video series, we will learn about all these things in detail. So just remember that the keywords are nothing but the special words whose meaning is already defined in the language. Now finally, in this video, we will talk about data types. As the name indicates, data types are used to represent the type of data. We have seen that the data can be whole numbers, and these whole numbers are called as integers in C programming language. And in order to represent these integers, we have a keyword called as int. And then we have seen that the numbers with decimal places are also there, and they are called as real numbers. And in order to represent them, we have the data type called as float and double. The float data type is generally used in order to represent the numbers with 6 to 7 decimal places, and this double data type is used to represent the whole numbers with a maximum of 15 decimal places. This double provides double precision. And then we have seen that we have character values, and in order to represent them, we have a keyword. We have the data type called as char, and the strings that we have talked about in C programming language, the strings are the group of characters which we will learn in the upcoming videos. So this is it, guys, for this particular video. This is just an introduction to the concept of keywords, data types, and constants in C programming language. If you like the video, hit the like button. If you don't like it, hit the dislike button. If you have anything to say, write that in the comment box. For more tutorials, subscribe to the channel.